Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Zero Snore. And pretty much what it is a snore aid to help you guys prevent any kind of snoring if you guys are snoring a lot. So when you first open the package, basically all you guys get inside is this little container. And basically inside they provide you two of these little anti-snoring devices. So basically all you have to do is kind of like rinse it off when you guys first use it, and you guys can put it between your nostrils like this. So let me actually go rinse this first and then come back and test it out. Alright, so I just finished rinsing it out. Let me put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put it on. So you want to make sure you put it all the way in like that. And it looks something like that. You guys can see just hanging between your nose like that. So basically all you have to do is just leave this overnight and like see if it snores or not. So I'll probably have to test this out overnight and see when it actually works or not and when it actually helps or not from all the snoring and whatnot. So before I do all that testing overnight and whatnot, I want to talk about this product. So for this product, when you guys put it on your nose, when you guys first put it, it feels kind of weird because it feels like a little piercing on your nose. As you can see, it basically looks like a piercing between your nose like that. But I feel like over time, as you like put it on for a longer period of time, then you guys won't feel anything, or you guys won't really be annoyed by this, or you won't really be noticing it too much. Definitely when you guys first put it on, you definitely feel something in your nose, and it's kind of weird to feel it, especially when you open your mouth like this. It kind of feels it a lot more. And then the cool thing about this is obviously the fact that you guys can actually reuse it. So every night, all you have to do is just rinse it and put it back into the small little case, and you guys can reuse it again. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. I'm just gonna have to test this overnight and then come back and talk about the product in the next day. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So I was actually able to test this overnight to see when it actually works or not. And it's really weird. For some reason, it actually does work. I'm not sure why or how this actually works. There's no way for me to explain how this helps or not, but for some reason it does help. I'll probably have to test it out for like a week or a couple of months later and then give you guys an update video to see when it actually still works. So as a first hand perspective of actually trying it out and testing it out to see when it actually works, so far I would have to say that it's actually worth it. But I'll probably have to test it a little bit longer to see when it actually still works or not. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have